CONCACAF Nations League rolls on into this Monday evening. We are in League B and Group C. There's the whistle and we are underway. It's Haiti in blue, it's St. Martin in red. And now the ball right through the middle. It's Duckins to zone. The goalkeeper well off his line. Duckins to zone. Hesitates. Centers. Fafa Pico saved away. Jean over a four-man wall. It's blocked. And Jean's able to keep it. He progresses forward, chips it back post. The header right back in the middle, and Duckins in the zone over the bar. And now a chance at a goal. Danny Jean, it's saved. Tyrell Richardson comes up with the stop. In swinging ball, the header's in. It is the substitute, Christopher Ayiti, his first international goal, and Haiti lead 1-0. This is lofted over the top, maybe something on for St. Martin, and the shot comes on. First shot of the game. Cross sent towards goal, and Tyrell Richardson forced to touch this over the bar. Haiti could look upfield once more. Play down the line. Fafa Pico gets the cross away at the back post. It's turned in. Duckins Nazone scores for Haiti. To Honduras. They had a chance to advance on the last day. This is played right through the middle. It's Duckins Nazone, and he will bag a brace. A third goal on the night for Haiti, and that was as simple as any goal he'll ever score. Once he rounded the keeper, it was all for Nazone. Goal number 28
enters the pitch.
And 29 as this is another one for Haiti.
Exits the pitch on minute 75.
More appeals for offside. And Duckins Nazone has a hat trick. This is flipped forward again, a chance for a fifth. On the turn, there's the finish, and that is the hat trick. Slipped through again, around the goalkeeper, and then touched home. It's a brace off the bench for Mikel Cantave. And that is full time.